By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create a fully functional crypto AI trading app without any developer skills. With this app, you can view your portfolio, connect it to your wallet, view your assets and total portfolio value, and set and manage trading agents, and also see price charts for all the most common coins. Everything automated in one single platform. Let's dive in. The first thing is that we have to create a simple, perfect prompt for a perfect app. I used a very simple prompt in ChatGPT to inform my intentions to create an AI trading app connected to Binance API. I used Binance because I have a wallet there, but basically you can use any of the trading platforms that have an API available, such as Coinbase or whatever. Now, ChatGPT is suggesting what kind of apps I can build. These are all interesting options, but I basically want to create a bit more advanced agent, just not to view my portfolio, which I could do directly in Binance, but a trading agent that makes money for me while I'm sleeping. So we're going to go with crypto trading bot. This crypto trading bot. Next, ChatGPT is generating trading strategies I could use for my app. There are many different types of strategies that can be used, but we don't want to go with a too risky one in the beginning. We want to test the agent out with a simple strategy. ChatGPT lists all of these strategies with the concepts, risks, and examples. And also it's going to show this summary table to compare these strategies. They also have an AI-based trend trading. However, we're not going to go with that. We're going to go with grid trading because it's the simplest one to implement and it's the simplest one to test. So while AI-based trend trading sounds very intriguing, we're going to go with grid trading, which is simple with a medium risk level and a moderate profit potential. Now let's prompt it to design a prompt for our no-code app builder, Bolt New. I'm very descriptive with the prompt. The more details you can give about what kind of app you want to build, the better prompts ChatGPT is going to generate. Very important to highlight that I want a clean and good-looking UI, and the app should include all necessary functionalities. If you want this exact prompt, comment AI to the moon in the comment section and I'll send it to you. Now ChatGPT is generating the prompt for Bolt New, and as you can see, it's a very extensive one with many details related to features, functionalities, UI, and setup. It also lists what tech stack and API integrations are needed. In the grid trading setup, there are trading pairs assigned, then there's the price range, number of grid levels, and the investment amount in USDT or selected crypto. So this looks really good. The API integrations are also presented here. So you have Binance API, WebSocket API, and TradingView API as an optional. But of course, we want advanced charting. We want better charts in our app, so we're going to use that. And to my surprise, it is also asking very valuable questions to refine the prompt, as this one, which asks that should the agent trade futures or just spot trading. To keep things simple, let's focus on the spot trading for now. And let's go with that. And it generates the prompt again. It also asks another question about manual inputs or AI enhanced trading. So let's go all in with AI enhanced trading. Great choice. So now the prompt is generated again. And this is basically the same prompt that it generated before that, but based on the questions it asked, now it has refined them, updated them a little bit. And there's also back testing, so you can test on simulated data the features before you connect it to your actual wallet. You might notice that ChatGPT is asking about new functionalities after every prompt generation, but let's now go with this prompt so that we can start the actual development of the app. So we're happy with this prompt. Let's copy it. Let's copy all of it. Let's go to Bolt New. Bolt.new. There are other no-code app builders out there too, but I like this one because it has Netlify and Supabase integration, so the app can be developed, updated, and deployed from the same platform. Now it's building the app real time. You can see the files and resources being built. This is really cool to watch, as you can see how it's working as a developer for you. And there you go. Now it's starting the preview mode, but there is an issue. I think I know what it is. We don't have a Supabase account connected. So basically we need a database to store the app information. So let's go ahead and connect it. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one. And when you have created an account, you can create a project, give it a name, and assign a password. And when you have a project, to go to bolt.new and connect the Supabase again. Authorize the API connection, and you have successfully connected your app to Supabase project. Now, if you go to bolt.new, you can see the preview mode and it's working, and there is a sign-in window. However, there's another issue, but let's ignore it for now. I want to create an email and password I can use. And it did something even better. It created a sign-up functionality. So now there's a sign-in window, but also an option to create an account. Now we're in, and as you can see, the dashboard is in progress. So let's check what steps are yet to be completed and request Bolt to execute them. Key from the setting. It's now creating the dashboard components and layouts, and this is what I'm talking about. This looks much better. It has a trading functionality, it has the activity history and settings where you can add your Binance API keys. Now I'm using Binance API, so I'll use my own keys. You can generate your API key and secret key from the settings. Just remember not to share it publicly, and since you are enabling read access but also stop trading access, it's recommended you restrict access to only your own IP for enhanced security. This you can do in API management settings within Binance Web and even the mobile app. If you don't have a Binance account, I've added a referral link which you can use to create an account. This way we both get a trading fee rebate voucher worth $100. So check out the link in the description if you're interested in an account at Binance. Now back to the trading agent app development. There are still 4 steps left, so I'm just going to request the AI developers to continue with the development while I doom scroll online. And continuing again, so there's multiple steps. There's the grid trading algorithm, price chart, and the trading history view. These steps are yet to be completed. The price chart is there, looks good, but it doesn't work. So let's go ahead and fix it. That's fixed, and this is now starting to take shape. So the real-time price chart of BTC, and I like this bullish movement here. And let's add the option to view it per hour, per day, per week, and per month. Now there's an option to view the price trends for a longer time period. There was the Trump tariffs dip. Hope you went shopping then. I did. There's an option to view the same data for Ethereum and Binance Coin. There are some major coins missing from here, so let's add them. What is trading without XRP, Cardano, and Solana? So let's add these 3 altcoins. Now there should be all of these other options, and this is perfect. I do think that it needs some enhancement, so I'm going to enhance the price chart. I want to add neon colors, each coin having a unique color. Let's prompt that. And this is really, really cool. So as you can see, each coin has its own color. It looks really good, really clear. I could view this for hours. Now let's check out the grid trading functionality. Let's try out and create a new grid. It looks good. You can set up upper price, lower price, and number of grids. However, there is no user guidance, so let's add those. Oh, tooltips, that's what I meant. Thanks Vault. Now it gives you further details of what each field means, and also gives you information at grid levels and when is it going to buy and sell. You can also assign a total investment per grid. Let's create this grid, and here you can see all of the active grids, but the pause button doesn't work. Let's fix that and also add a delete button next to it. Now there is a pause button and a delete button for better grid management. In the settings page, you can add the API keys from Binance. And I just noticed that there is a portfolio page missing. So let's create a prompt for that. Here you go, the portfolio page. Let's check it out. This is it. Portfolio overview and assets list. Guys, relax. This is not my actual portfolio. It's simulated data. I wouldn't spend that much on Ethereum. But this is great that you can see all the assets here and also the 24-hour change. I just added a list of top 20 assets to just extend the list, and now it has added more coins to the list. Now we're ready to deploy. But yeah, and deploy is top right corner. You can just deploy from there. And this is it. We have our AI grid trading bot, but I actually, after deployment, noticed that there is a bug with the trade button and on the portfolio page. Also, I'd like to create a logo for my app. So it's wise to run all the requests in the same prompts, especially if you have a free account, as there is a limit on how many prompts you can make per day. I have a paid account, but I do use this quite much. There you go. This is much better looking. There's a much better looking logo for the app, and it also changed the name. I like it. Gridbot AI. This turned out better than I expected. You can add your API key to connect to your wallet. You can check your portfolio, check real-time price charts, and create new grids with custom settings. You can see price charts for all of the top coins. I can also add more coins here with one single prompt. And I'm definitely going to test it out on my experiment wallet and look into adding new functionalities such as the full AI driven trading, where it looks at the trend data and then based on the data it trades by itself 100%. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the video, of what kind of functionalities should I test next, and check out this video which tells you the current market gap with AI agents. See you in the next one.